we insist we won, but the election was rigged. But if you would have won the election, then the things that our NASA colleagues are complaining about would not have been avoided. It's taken for somebody to say that there was a clause or an agreement on endorsement, and I think it's a bit destructive. If all our energies is about 2022, the winner will not come from that formation. But I am saying, what I'm saying, if they are part of other formations which I think will bring a serious contention, like if Musalia becomes a candidate in a competitive process where Raila and Joho and Opranya is involved, then he has got a better chance than going on his own or trying to invent another formation. Going by the pronouncements of Gideon, Stephen, and Musalia and Moses, I don't see them going anywhere near Ruto. That at least that I can say. But in politics, you never know.